Dear students, our next experiment is determination of strength of weak acid by conductometric titrations with the help of NaOH. The chemicals required for this experiment is only two, that is strong base, that is NaOH, weak acid, that is acetic acid. First we should clean the apparatus. The apparatus required for this experiment is burette, beaker, conductivity and the apparatus required for this instruments required for this experiment is conductivity meter and conductivity cell. First we should connect this conductivity cell to conductivity meter. Then place this conductivity cell, dip that conductivity cell in distilled water and adjust the conductance values up to 0.1. Here cell constant is 1. We can observe here. To calculate the strength of weak acid, first we should pipette out 20 ml of acetic acid into a clean beaker like this. Pipette out like this. The beaker consists of 20 ml of acetic acid and few ml of distilled water. We are adding distilled water here to dip that conductivity cell perfectly in that acid solution like this. Whenever we dip the solution into whenever we dip the conductivity cell into that acid solution, put aside for some time, then take the burette, fill the burette with NaOH solution. Fill the burette with NaOH solution up to 0 mark. After filling the burette with NaOH solution up to 0 mark, adjust these values up to 0. Then fix the burette to burette stand. We can start take the readings of that means take the conductance values before the addition of NaOH solution to acetic acid. By using conductivity cell and conductivity meter, we can note the conductance values. After taking the conductance values before the addition of NaOH, next we can add 1 ml of NaOH solution to acetic acid solution. After the addition of NaOH solution, we can mix that acid and base by using one glass rod like this way. Again dip the conductivity cell in that mixture which consists of acetic acid and 1 ml of NaOH solution. Again note down the conductance values by using conductivity meter. We can repeat the same procedure. That means each time we can add 1 ml of NaOH solution to acetic acid solution. Again note down the conductance values. Again note down the conductance values like this. We should repeat the same procedure by adding nearly 15 to 16 ml of NaOH solution to acetic acid. We can observe here we added 17 ml of NaOH solution to acetic acid solution and we can take the 17 conductance values. We should note down the conductance values in this table which consists of serial number, volume of NaOH added and conductance. So this is the first reading is for 0 ml of NaOH, that means before addition of NaOH to acetic acid solution. This is the reading for 1 ml, 2 ml, 3 ml like this. So it is the amount of NaOH or volume of NaOH added to acetic acid. These are the conductance values.